这个你可以讲吗？
可以啊，是任何一个 PPT 都可以讲，好吗？
行行行行。
Okay, buddy, you can start now.
Okay. Hello, everyone, and
O-
welcome to this webinar on Wi-Tek solutions. Today, joining us is Wiki. He's a self-engineer at Wi-Tek, and he will be leading this insightful session. So, Vicky, the floor is yours, so you may now begin this webinar.
Okay, and hello everyone. I'm Vicky Presales from Wi-Tek, and today our topic is about our smart urban surveillance solution, and Wi-Tek outdoor CCTV solution for connected cities. Okay, here is the content. We will introduce this solution following these four parts, including solution requirements, network architecture, product recommendation, and key features of our each products we selected, and last, the bill of the materials for this solution. Okay, about the first part, our solution requirements. In this smart urban solution, we usually need the transmission distance within 5 kilometers for maximum, and the conditions we solve, including line of sight and electricity, and also the internet for data transmission. And as for the application for this solution, including outdoor squares, construction sites, factories, warehouses, community residences, and farmlands. As for the function we apply for this solution, including the cloud service, point-to-point, and point-to-multi-point networking for wireless transmitter. As for the smart urban solution, we also have the conditions with none of line of sight and electricity, as well as the internet. As for the applications, including the outdoor squares, also construction sites, factories, warehouses, communities, residents, and also farmlands. As for other functions we use for cloud service, point-to-point, and point-to-multipoint networking, and also our SD-LAN technology for encrypted tunnel between each sites. And the above scenarios are assumed, and the actual scenarios can be changed as required. Okay, next, let's explore the network architecture of this smart urban solution. The first is the point-to-point networking. As you can see, on the monitoring point, we use our cloud outdoor AZ Smart PoE switch as the PoE power to power up our CPE for data transmission and also power up the IP cameras. As for the monitoring central, they are including the NVR to read the video streams and the CPE as a receiver to receive the video stream. And the other functions, our Cloud Easy Smart PoE switch can also access to the internet and through the cloud app or cloud web for remote project management. Next is the point-to-multipoint networking. As you can see, this is an example for a factory. There are warehouses and also the monitoring center in the center. As for the center, we recommend our WICPE 821, this model, 360-degree full angle, full angle receiver, and in each site, we can choose other models of Wi-Tek 5G frequency CPEs. And next is also the point-to-multipoint networking using the 4G router to solve the none of the sites of the project. As you can see in each monitoring point using the 4G LTE router to replace the CPE product to access to the internet and provide an SD-LAN function to build an encrypted tunnel between each monitoring points and the monitoring central. And there is no limitation of the distance between the monitoring points and the central. Okay, next is the third part, introduction of product recommendation and the key features of each product. First is the outdoor PoE switch recommendation stars. As you can see, this is the product line of Wi-Tek outdoor PoE switches. All of them are Cloud Easy Smart and Cloud Layer 2 Plus models. They both of them are managed models, and you can manage them through our Wi-Tek cloud platform or cloud app. And as you can see, all of them are recommended in 3 stars, but you need to confirm that if you need the faster Ethernet PoE switches, you better choose the PCES 206-0, this model, and the PCES 210G-0. These 2 models support faster Ethernet, and the rest of them are 4 gigabit models. As you can see, the PCES 306G-0 offers 4 gigabit PoE ports and 2 gigabit for uplink ports. As for the PCES 309GF-0, this model also offers 8 gigabit PoE ports and 1 gigabit Ethernet ports for uplink, or also you can choose the SFP ports to use the fiber. As for this model, WI-PCMS 310GF-0 version 2, this is for Layer 2 plus cloud outdoor PoE switch. As you can see, it has more functions. Next, let's explore the key features of this cloud outdoor PoE switch. Okay, here is the brief introduction of cloud outdoor PoE switch. As you can see, to applying for this outdoor scenario and to meet the demand for the environment, we offer you functions like weatherproof enclosure design. Is one designed to replace traditional ALV box or monitoring box, and cloud management for easy maintenance and configuration. As for the operating temperature, we offer you -30 to 60 degrees Celsius. And the PoE out, we have upgraded into 802.3 BT level 90 volts PoE out to meet more PoE power for terminals. And for mode management method, we offer Layer 2 Plus and Easy Smart for management for cost-effective And there is also the surge immunity and ESD protection, like surge immunity for 4 kilovoltage and 6 kilovoltage or 8 kilovoltage for ESD protection. Okay, and now you can see this is the all-in-one waterproof enclosure design. The design idea meaning to replace the traditional way for outdoor CCTV project. As you can see, in a traditional way, you need multiple devices like simple project box, surge protector, AC to DC adapter, and PoE switch. But using Wi-Tek outdoor PoE switch, you just need this one device can replace these four. That's a cost-effective solution. And next is the remote management and configuration on Wi-Tek Cloud. On the Wi-Tek Cloud, you can operate for remote monitoring for the switch and PoE port status. And you can also do cloud-based port configuration. Like you can set VLAN, port speed, and PoE settings on the Wi-Tek Cloud. And also you can receive an alarm notification when there is some device is offline, and you got be aware and to troubleshooting for your project. These are the screenshots from our cloud app by cell phone. On the cell phone, as you can see, you can check these port status and also device information and set VLANs for each port. And next are the unique values for CCTV network offered by Wi-Tek Cloud Outdoor PoE Switch, including the extend mode to extend the data PoE power transmission distance up to 250 meters. And also on the Wi-Tek Cloud, you can remotely for PoE restart by yourself. And there is also a supporting for on-whiff detection. Our cloud outdoor PoE switch can recognize IP camera and NVR from other brands and displayed on the topology of the Wi-Tek cloud, as you can see. And there is an alarm notification to get you aware of IP camera offline, and you get to remote troubleshooting for your project. And next, if some CCTV users are not so professional and they say they want easy configuration for the device, our Wi-Tek Cloud Outdoor PoE Switch also offers you extend mode and VLAN mode, and also PD Alive mode for easy configuration. Just one simple smart dip switch, you can turn on or turn off these three functions by yourself. And next is the high PoE power output to power up more PoE devices like PTZ camera, HD cameras with heaters, and also switches with high PoE input, and also high power wireless access points, especially Wi-Fi 6E and even Wi-Fi 7 outdoor models, and also some wireless transmitters with PoE output. Next is the wireless long-range transmitter recommendations. As you can see, this is the product family of Wi-Tek outdoor wireless transmitters. To choose this kind of product, you need to know that there are two frequencies we offer you, like 5G frequency, and also some models may be 2.4 gigahertz frequency. You need to know that only 5G frequency only can pair up with 5G models, not for 2.4. So this WI-CPE 821 is a special model usually used for the monitoring center of a factory product or school monitoring system, and it covers 360 degrees and can pair up with the rest of the 5G models of Wi-Tek wireless transmitter. As for the distance, if you have a project for remote video stream transmission, and you need to select the most suitable models of Wi-Tek wireless transmitter, like 5 kilometers, 3 kilometers, and 2 kilometers, and even 1 kilometers. And next is the wireless long-range transmitter key features. It offers you pre-configuration and quick pairing, and there is no need for software setups, and poor and wall-mounted, easy for installation in outdoor environment. And compared with traditional Ethernet or fiber optical solution, there is no need for digging, piping, and threading. All these three advantages offers you short construction period and lower the project cost. And next are the wireless long-range transmitter key features to meet the outdoor environment, like -30 to 70 degrees Celsius operating temperature, 6 kilovoltage surge protection, and the transmission distance usually between 1 to 5 kilometers. And it offers an IP65 waterproof enclosure. This is a cost-effective product for remote areas, and it is easy for deployment and has a strong environmental adaptability. And next is the fast quick pair between the wireless transmitters. As you can see, to pair up a pair of these CPEs, you just need to change the LED channel on the LED screen and set matching group numbers to allow CPEs to auto pair up without web configuration. And next is the auto detect for on-with IP cameras, and then show the network topology on the cloud platform. As you can see on the cloud platform, you can check the status of the wireless transmitter and also the status of the IP cameras. And also, if you have the demand for the IP camera management, or you want to remote log in to the IP camera to check the real-time video, you can also do that on Wi-Tek Cloud. And next are the toolkits offered by Wi-Tek Mobile Cloud mobile app. in this app, you can calculate the CPU height, remote reboot CPU product, and you can also remote evap to log into the user interface of our wireless transmitter to change the configuration or check the status of the device for troubleshooting. And next is our monitoring central switch recommendation stars. Here we recommend two models. The PCES 306G version 2 and PCES 310G. These two models are actually used in the monitoring center, but you need to decide which model to use for the devices that need to connect with this switch. So if you just need an NVR and an uplink to access to the internet, you just you choose the PCS 306G version 2. That's enough. But if you got more devices that need to connect with the NVR or other devices to build a network, you can also choose the PCES 310G, this model, for more ports. And next is the monitoring central switch key features. It also has unique values for CCTV network, including the extend mode, PoE restart on the Wi-Tek cloud, on with auto detect and recognition to display the topology of IP camera and NVR, and also receive the alarm notifications when IP cameras are offline or fell down. And next is also the remote management and the configuration on Wi-Tek Cloud. This Cloud Easy Smart PoE switch also supports remote monitoring for the switch and connection status and time and well. And you can also do the cloud-based port configuration for changing the VLAN ID for each port, limit the port speed and PoE settings on the Wi-Tek cloud, and receive the alarm notifications. And next is the eWeb solution for CCTV network. As you can see, this Cloud Easy Smart Switch offers you on-with detection and eWeb connection on Wi-Tek Cloud, and not only Wi-Tek PoE switch, Cloud Easy Smart PoE switch, and also the CPE and IP cameras from other brands. And it is a for free service offered by Wi-Tek Cloud. And next is the 4G router recommendation stars. As you can see, there are three models of Wi-Tek 4G router used for rural areas where there is no Ethernet cable or no offsite between the monitoring point and monitoring center. Here, we more likely to recommend this model WA-LTE 117-0, because this model not only offers 4G work as 4G router and IP65 waterproof enclosure. It has another benefit is that it supports one PoE in and the other for PoE out to power up an extra IP camera. And next are the 4G router key features. The first key feature is the insert for 4G SIM card slot. You can use the 4G SIM card to access the 4G signal from the 4G cell tower. And the benefit offers the plug and play, no need the actual operation or configuration for this device, and easy to carry and install because it is a small sized product and it features with router functions and 4G. You can, if you have demand for 4G or Ethernet failover connectivity, you can also do that on Wi-Tek 4G LTE router. And next is the model we mentioned, LTE 117-0. This offers an actual PoE out, one DC input, and the other two for PoE out. And another way is one PoE in, and the other port offer PoE out for IP camera. And next is the monitoring central gateway recommendation. This product meaning to work as the center of the SD-LAN network. Here we recommend AC105P version 2 and AC108P version 2. They are both recommended in 3-star. For that. Sure.
Hello, Wiki. We cannot hear you clearly. Hello?
Hello, Baron. Let me check with Wiki.
Oh, okay, get it.
Yeah. Ah, 我啥时候退？Hello，
可以了，可以了。
Yes.
是刚才
Right now,
是，
thank you, Wiki.
sorry
Right now,
sorry，
we can hear you clearly.
yeah okay sorry just now. So while we stopped the voice.
No worries. We, you can continue.
Okay, and so now let's continue. Wi-Tek Monitoring Central Gateway offers you a software-defined network for LAN and use the quickly sets up encrypted terminals for low cost to build and cross-regional networking. And
Sorry, Vicky，
嗯
看不见你的 presentation。
哦，啊，诶，刚才是不是因为网的原因？Hello, now can you see?
Yes, I can see your presentation right now.
Okay. Okay, so now let's continue and just continue. The monitoring central gateway offers you key features like software-defined network for LAN, and it is an idea for quickly set up encrypted terminals for low cost cross-regional networking, and it can replace traditional VPN, the SD-LAN to replace VPNs for secure, efficient internet access. And to build an SD-LAN network, there is no requirement for the public IP address. And it can also quick setup or visual management remote access via Wi-Tek Cloud. This is the comparison between the traditional VPN and the SD-LAN for Wi-Tek. And here is the configuration of Wi-Tek SD-LAN networking. We just got some screenshots from Wi-Tek Cloud Platform. As you can see, there is a monitoring point network in Wuhan office and the monitoring central network in the Shenzhen office. There are two cities, and we use the SD-LAN to build the SD-LAN terminal, as you can see. The result is the NVR can check the video streams on the side of the monitoring point network, as you can see. And next is also the eWeb solution for CCTV network, including the on-wave detection, in eWeb connection, and the free service provided by Wi-Tek. And you can have a securely monitoring your CCTV system anytime and anywhere. And here is the IP camera eWeb verification result on Wi-Tek Cloud. As you can see, the eWeb to log into the IP camera and check the real-time video streams. Okay, last, let's explore the bill of materials. Here, as you can see, this is the BLM of point-to-point networking. On the monitoring points, as you can see, select Wi-Tek outdoor waterproof PoE switch and the wireless long-range transmitter and the PoE injector, and also outdoor waterproof PoE switch on each monitoring points. It depends on how many IP cameras and how on each monitoring point, and you can change the models of outdoor waterproof PoE switch. And to select the wireless long-range transmitter, the model depends on the distance between the monitoring points and the monitoring center. As for the monitoring center, there is only Wi-Tek Cloud Easy Smart PoE switch recommended WI-PCES 306G version 2. As for the other optional services, including Wi-Tek Cloud Service, of course, that's a free service provided by Wi-Tek Cloud products. And next is the BLM of point-to-multipoint networking. And in each monitoring point, you also need to consider the models of Wi-Tek wireless long-range transmitters, and also the outdoor waterproof PoE switches, and the quantities and the design principle depends on the project requirements. As for the monitoring center, there is only need the wireless long-range transmitter CPE 821. This model within 2 kilometers for 360-degree floor coverage. And this wireless transmitter WI-CPE 517 also supports point-to-multipoint networking. As for the other services, also provided cloud services by Wi-Tek Cloud products. And next, for last is the BLM of point-to-multipoint using 4G LTE router to replace the traditional VPN. And in each monitoring point, you just need to choose Wi-Tek outdoor waterproof PoE switch, and the quantity depends on the project requirements and the monitoring points. On each point, you just need one 4G LTE outdoor router to access to the internet through the 4G signal, and build an SD-LAN tunnel between each point and the monitoring center. As for the monitoring center, of course, there is one Wi-Tek Cloud Gateway. This gateway, the model depends on the project requirement. For example, if you got the monitoring center is a building, and you also want to build a wireless double LAN project in the building, you can also use this gateway to manage the Wi-Tek access points of the double LAN project. And there is also the offered free Wi-Tek cloud service. The equipment model, equipment quantity, and design principles can be changed according to the actual situation of the project, and you can change the quantity and also the models by yourself. Okay, above is today's topic. If you got any question, welcome to discuss with us. Okay, thank you.
Thank you,
Hello.
Vicky.
Okay.
Right now,
Mhm.
thank you all for joining this webinar or at this. And right now, we will now open the floor for questioning answer sessions. So if you have any question or comments, please feel free to share them in the live chat. So thank you again for joining this webinar. So there is no questions, no answers, or comments.
Hello, please feel free to discuss the solution, and maybe we have more advices for your questions.
So if you have any questions or comments, please, once again, feel free to share them in the live chat.
Okay, if we need to have a server or login mechanisms to record, do you have any? Have a server. We don't have server.
Yeah, we do not have any comments right now or questions. So once again, for all the attendees, thank you for joining this webinar. It has been a pleasure for us to be here with you, and we wish you all a wonderful day. Bye
Thank
bye.
you.
Okay, bye bye.
So thank you very much, Wi-Tek team.